Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Pathfinder's cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task improves your vehicle's air quality. First, open your glove box and remove everything inside. Next, carefully detach the small dampener arm located on the right side. Then, gently press in the tabs on both sides of the glove box to allow it to fully drop down, revealing the filter housing. With the glove box lowered, you will see the cabin air filter housing. It's usually a rectangular cover. Locate the two retaining clips on the housing cover and unclip them. Once unclipped, carefully remove the cover. Now, gently slide out the old cabin air filter. Be prepared, as it might be quite dirty and full of debris, so have a trash bag ready. Before installing your new filter, notice the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow indicates the direction air should flow through the filter. For most Nissan Pathfinders, this arrow should point downwards or towards the rear of the vehicle. Gently squeeze the new filter to fit it into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrow is correctly oriented. Slide it all the way in until it is fully seated. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover, ensuring the clips snap securely. Then, lift the glove box and reconnect the dampener arm on the right side. Finally, push the glove box back into its closed position. It is recommended to replace your cabin air filter every 15,000 miles or once a year to maintain optimal air quality in your Pathfinder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.